que grave! You might want to think about getting this baby detailed.
Oh, no. The Consul General's car.
Down, Boba! Let it down. Yes. Oh.
Come on, man.
Whoa. Mr. Ventura, so looking forward to your arrival.
Funny, it didn't seem that painful when you were doing it to the horse.
Sir, Mr. Ventura has an affinity for animals.
Shall we?
Shall we?
Tell me, Mr. Ventura, just how good are you?
You're an extreme workaholic. You recently returned from a short trip to Gotan in northern Africa. And upon your return, you more than likely took a nasty spill because of some shoddy masonry work.
Very impressive. Might one ask how?
Surely. The abrasion on the palm of your left hand is a type 1 sustains breaking a fall of 3 to 5 feet. The small remnants of plaster on the tip of your shoe pointed to a careless mason being the culprit. Your new watch, a quality forgery of a Cartier, was most likely purchased through the North African black market known to reside in Gotan.
And my work habits?
Yes, a workaholic. The urine stain on your pants would signify that you're a single shake man. Far too busy for the follow-up jiggle.
Brilliant, Mr. Ventura. Simply brilliant.
Spank you, Greenwall. Thank you very much.
Mr. Ventura, we've been coexisting quite nicely with the native cultures for the past 200 years. They're almost like family at this point.
Are they?
It is imperative that we recover the sacred animal. If not, the peaceable Wachatis will assuredly be obliterated. The Wachutus are bloodthirsty. They consider its disappearance both an insult and a curse.
Do I have something in my teeth?
Ah, can be. Lovely brunch, I must say.
Quinn, I'd like you to meet Ace Ventura. This is Burton Quinn. He owns and operates Quinlan Safari Park.
Most call me Quinn. Say hello, Tinky.
Pleasure, Tinky. Corvus corax, common raven, smartest of all birds. Where are these birds? Excuse me. That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers made from the heads of innocent and defenseless baby seals.
Who is this ghastly man?
Ace Ventura, pet detective. And you must be the Monopoly guy. Hey. Thanks for the free parking.
Another activist, Maguire.
Activist. Yes.
Activist, yes.
Mr. Ventura, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of nature. You should try it sometime.
Alrighty then. You know something? You're right. La, da, 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 da,
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
It's lovely, but I fancy myself in autumn.
If you've quite finished, Mr. Ventura, we might make for the projection room, Greenwall.
Kooky.
Mr. Ventura, I'd like you to meet Hitu, Chief of Tribal Security in the province.
Please! Don't get up.
At this point, we don't have any leads, but we've had similar problems in the past. Oh. Sorry. This is Derek McCain, spotted several times in the province. In the past year, Mr. McCain makes a handsome living from rare and endangered species. He too. Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. The natives call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been seen here! Mr. Ventura! This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Honk, 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 honk. Hey-ho, Silver, away!
I've assigned Greenwall to assist you. Before you go, Mr. Ventura, there's something I'd like to show you. Something you might enjoy. As one animal lover to another. Something wrong, Mr. Ventura?
Of course not. This is a lovely room of death. Take care now. Bye-bye then. Down, Bubba.